What's going on, my free thinking rebels, and welcome again to another Decrypting Crypto. I'm your host, Stefan Tuvero, the Holistic Growth Mentor, a certified holistic financial planning coach specializing in digital asset management, here on a mission to help you busy parents, entrepreneurs, and business owners to safely enter into the crypto space, diversify your income, and find new ways to protect yourself from everything that's going on. My friends, today's topic, XRP Army, make some noise if you're out there. XRP Retirement 2025. Is it worth the investment? Is XRP still a good investment? We'll discuss a couple things that I've found in the chart. We'll look at the history of XRP. And, I have not been following the fundamentals. XRP overall has always been a good project fundamentally. And I know that the XRP, the Ripple company, has continued growing, and its reach is getting further and further. So we'll discuss a little bit more about that moving forward. Just a quick message from our sponsor before we move on. As the world sinks deeper into debt, your hard-earned money loses value daily. The solution: safeguard your wealth with smart, diversified, and decentralized income strategies. Breakout Solutions is on a mission to take back personal freedom, individual rights, and financial sovereignty. As the era of CBDCs, digital IDs, and social credit system approaches, it's crucial to act now to safeguard your financial future. Introducing the Future of Money, your guide to what's happening and what is coming. Join our 90-minute session to equip yourself, your loved ones, and your business against a system bent on control. Your time is precious. Don't waste it anymore. Use the link below, join our next virtual event, and access my exclusive bonuses. All right, my friends, let me just get this chart up. So if you are joining me live right now, drop in the chat right now if you are an XRP holder, if you are in the XRP Army, and we are going to take a look at the charts, kind of see what could possibly happen and what would it mean to be able to retire with XRP. How much coins would you need? What's the price zones that we're looking at to really maximize our return on XRP? Now, we currently have XRP holding 0.6. We have come back in to this main structural zone, which is holding since 2017. We've been holding this zone. We seem to be falling back into it. So right now, I'd say it's a pivotal time. If you have not gotten any XRP, if you're looking at accumulating some more, right now it's a good time. Possibility we could come back down, but if we were to continue moving up from here, we would be supported dramatically by this area. Now, one of the best ways, in my opinion, to look at the potential return on any project is by just analyzing using your Fibonacci. So one thing to take into consideration based on XRP, and I was following XRP very strongly during the last bull run. I know because of what's happening and what is still happening with XRP and the SEC, XRP did not go all the way up to its predicted prices. It was extremely suppressed. So at this stage, there's two ways we can analyze what the returns for XRP could be. Now, if we just look straight up to Fibonacci, we're looking right now from where we are on XRP. If, all-time highs, we're looking at a 5x return all the way up to the top of the Fib. You're looking at about a 10x return. I know the previous, that special number that everybody in the XRP Army looks at is the $10 zone. And again, we're trying to analyze this from a market psychology and from a market structure. We're looking at the 4-year cycle on Bitcoin. So, let's use this $10 mark as like that powerful zone for a lot of people. I know psychologically it's a good area that a lot of people are looking at. Eternal Abundance, you are great, Stefan. Thanks for keeping us updated. You're welcome, my friends. Again, I'm here to serve. I'm here to help you on your journey. Definitely my pleasure to do this for everyone. Now, continuing on with XRP. So let's use that $10 mark as like that nice area where the retirement money could come in, right? If we do some good investment at this stage. So based on where we are right now, and the number I kind of analyzed before was around 100,000 XRP. That's kind of that round, easy number to look at. And if we were to make it to the $10 mark, that's a good return on your investment, right? You're looking at a $1 million return on $100,000 of XRP. And again, if you were to buy 100,000 of XRP right now at 0.6, let's see, 0.6. So about a $60,000 investment. Again, I don't recommend anybody just going and spending $60,000 on one coin. Remember, this is for entertainment purposes only, not financial advice. So $60,000 right now would give you around $100,000 worth of XRP. So what are the things that I like to look at, right? So structurally, if we look at XRP, what it has done in the past, right? The first cycle, XRP, we had, and if we compare what it did from a Fibonacci standpoint, so all-time high, market bottom, we can see that Fibonacci, XRP during the first market cycle overextended by so much. It overextended from the top of the fib by about 27x. Obviously, this was the first bull cycle of XRP. This is when you get the biggest explosive movements. And, overall, XRP did a 83x from the market bottom in the 2017 bull market. Now, like I said before, this last bull cycle was not that powerful for XRP, all due to the SEC and what happened with Ripple. I know the expectations back then, because of where we ended up, the expectations were, again, I think the $15 mark, the $10 mark was also one of those zones that everybody was looking out for. Unfortunately, XRP was only able to make it to the $2, almost $3. So it did not even make it back to its previous all-time high. Oh, shout out to Kintia. Thank you, Kintia, for joining the live stream. Let me know if you're holding some XRP still, Kintia. Love to know if you're still holding on to your XRP. So now, based on this, we can kind of see that now if we have to use this, because we have to, right? We have to use this new all-time high and this market bottom to figure out what that Fibonacci would look like, right? Hence why that's bringing us up right now to that $6.8. Let's call it $7 mark. Now, we have, and if we look at it, it's very similar structural breakouts we've been getting from XRP throughout all of its market cycles. So we'll have that, downwards accumulation in a triangle setting. And once we have a breakout, we retest, and then it literally goes parabolic, like almost instantaneously. And then we this was again first cycle, much more explosive. Second market cycle, similar, came down, right? Then we had a breakout. We had a strong breakout from this triangle, and then it came back down and retested it perfectly. And then from here is when we got that move all the way up to the $2 mark, okay? Which then created this new all-time high for XRP. Now, again, if we look at the structure, we have very similar structure. Same thing is happening again. We've had a continuous downwards action, this resistance being respected all the way down. Now, we had a breakout, not a very strong one compared to the previous ones, right? So this was a good strong breakout. We got retested. We got supported, by this support zone, which had been holding for a very long time. Good sign. And we kind of just rolled on it. We kept moving up. We broke down a little bit here. Now we've moved back up in it. So this cycle is definitely a little bit different, but very similar to this one. So right now, because we've been holding this so strongly, Now, what can we expect at this stage? We could definitely expect one of XRP's strong moves to the upside, which would possibly bring us somewhere in the golden pocket zone, close to that $1.50 range. And then potentially, based on what happens during the market cycle moving forward later in the 2024, we'll kind of have to gauge and see how high we can go. Now, this is all going to be determining what happens with the SEC, what continues to happen with crypto regulation in the States, Canada, especially in the States, and obviously what happens with XRP moving forward with Ripple and their alliances throughout the world. So remember that number, $60,000 worth of XRP could make you a XRP army retiree if we were to make it to the $10 mark. You're looking at a $1 million return on that $60,000. So definitely take that with a grain of salt, observe the markets, pay attention, and obviously just subscribe to the Breakout Solutions. We are here every single day. Every single day we're here bringing content to you, sharing our support, sharing our love. And Cynthia says she is holding some XRP. So that's the goal, Cynthia. Hold your XRP long term. Let's aim for that $7 to $10 mark. And hopefully you can become an XRP retiree, retire on some XRP in the next couple of years. Okay. Now, my friends, that is all I have for you today on this Decrypting Crypto live stream. I look forward to seeing you on the market close Friday at the same time, 5 p.m. Pleasure seeing you guys. Stefan out.